Have you ever stopped to think about something absolutely critical to how, well, everything gets moved around the globe, but it just blends into the background?
Hmm.
We're talking about pallets, those wooden or plastic things. They are kind of the unsung heroes right at the heart of making supply chains efficient and reliable.
Absolutely vital, often overlooked.
Totally. Okay, let's unpack this.
So for our deep dive today, we're pulling insights straight from some really interesting material. It's excerpts from a document called How SMA Logistics Supports Your Business with Expert Pallet Solutions.
Right. And it looks like it gives a pretty clear picture of what expert really means in this context.
It does. It goes into quite a bit of detail.
So our mission here is to pull out the key takeaways. How do these expert pallet solutions really make a difference to supply chain performance and, ultimately to a company's success?
Yeah, what's the real impact?
Exactly. So thinking about that impact, choosing the right pallet, it's clearly more than just a minor detail, isn't it? How does getting that right actually show up on the bottom line?
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah.
It's transformative, really. An expert provider, like SMA highlighted here, understands that the pallet choice affects, well, everything. Warehouse flow, transport costs,
The whole chain.
pretty much. Their services are geared towards keeping things running smoothly, cost-effectively, and importantly, making sure everything's compliant. It's foundational.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting for me. Because obviously one size doesn't fit all. Businesses have such different needs depending on what they're shipping, how they store it. So what kinds of pallets are actually available and why the variety?
That's a great point. And SMA, according to the source, offers quite a range. You've got your standard wooden pallets,
Yeah.
super popular, cost-effective, and you can even repair them, which is a plus.
Right, the workhorse.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
But then, say you're dealing with food or pharmaceuticals, hygiene is critical.
Oh,
So plastic pallets are often the way to go. Durable, easy to clean, easy to maintain.
makes sense. No contamination worries.
Exactly. And then for really heavy-duty stuff, maybe manufacturing or construction, you might see metal pallets. They offer incredible strength and last a very long time.
Built tough.
Definitely. The key thing SMA emphasizes is working closely with a client's operations team. Figure out the best type, the right configuration, maximize protection, but also use warehouse space efficiently.
So it's not just, here's some pallets, good luck.
Not at all. It goes way beyond just supply.
Mm.
The source talks about managing the entire pallet life cycle.
The life cycle.
Yeah.
What does that involve?
Well, it's end to end. From sourcing the right pallets initially, to storing them properly, handling them carefully, and delivering them exactly when needed.
So logistics of the pallets themselves.
Precisely. They mention using modern warehouse management systems, WMS, for really accurate inventory tracking. That helps cut down on losses, keeps things flowing, prevents those bottlenecks that can stall everything.
Right.
And having experienced staff handle them means less damage, and deliveries time perfectly with production schedules. You avoid that costly downtime.
Which brings up another big factor these days, regulations and environmental concerns. They seem to be getting stricter all the time. How do expert solutions handle that?
Compliance and sustainability are absolutely core based on this material. SMA, for instance, makes sure everything meets the necessary standards. Like ISPM 15 for wooden tallets going internationally. That's the heat treatment or fumigation standard to prevent pest spread.
Ah, yes. Crucial for customs.
Absolutely. Plus, adhering to food safety certs if needed. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, sustainability is woven in. Promoting wood from sustainable sources, offering pallet recycling or refurbishment programs.
Closing the loop, sort of.
Exactly. It's
Right.
all about minimizing that environmental footprint. And look, that helps businesses meet their own corporate responsibility goals, and it often cuts down on waste and operational costs too. Win-win.
Okay, let's shift focus slightly. So what does all this mean for a business's budget and, their very specific needs? How does it work financially and practically?
Good question. It seems to come down to transparency and customization. SMA offers clear pricing models. And importantly, they look at the total cost of ownership, meaning not just the upfront cost, but factoring in maintenance, repairs, eventual replacement, the whole life cycle cost. That helps businesses budget accurately, avoid nasty surprises down the line.
Right, no hidden fees.
Hopefully not. And the customization part is key. Tailored solutions for different industries. Maybe you need bespoke sizes for retail displays or special load capacities for heavy manufacturing parts or pallets designed to work smoothly with automated warehouse systems.
Adapting to the specific operation.
Exactly. That tailoring boosts efficiency and cuts down on product damage or handling issues.
So when you pull it all together, it really sounds like choosing an expert provider like SMA isn't just buying pallets. It's more like bringing on a partner committed to making your whole logistics operation work better.
That seems to be the core message, yes. A partnership for success.
Okay, so wrapping up this deep dive. It's crystal clear that expert pallet solutions aren't just an add-on. They're fundamental. A cornerstone for efficient logistics, supporting businesses with quality, compliance, sustainability, and those crucial customized services.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? What stands out to you when you consider how something seemingly so simple, like a pallet, actually underpins these incredibly complex global supply chains?
Yeah, that's the takeaway for me. Next time you see a pallet stacked somewhere, maybe pause for a second. Consider the amazing system it represents: efficiency, rules, sustainability, all working together to move goods around the world. It's just a great reminder of how even the smallest details can have truly the biggest impact.